How long does it take to land your first client as a copywriter? I kept on asking this question by people on X, right? I kept on getting these DMs, and the only answer that I give to each one of them is that, bro, you never know. You never know when you will land your first client. Yes, through the tactics that I teach my students, they can definitely land clients faster than others, but I cannot guarantee that you will be landing in, let's say, next 3 weeks, right? Because you cannot control the outcome. You can definitely control the amount of effort you are putting in, but you never can like control the outcome, right? And also there is one thing, like, I don't know who set this mindset in people that if you're doing things like this, like online jobs or online businesses, you want first result. Why? Like, people, they are ready to invest like 15 to 16 years of their life in schooling and college just to get a low paying job, but they are not okay with investing an a year, right? They are not okay with investing a year in copywriting or any kind of, I'm talking about copywriting, but you can take any online businesses. They are not okay with it, and I do not get this thing, right? Take me for example. If I would have chose the normal path of doing things like every other, like everyone else is doing, like a corporate job, let's say, then I would have invested 16 years of my life in schools and colleges just to get a job that will be paying me only $500 to $600 a month. So think about it, like 16 years just to get a $600 job. To me, it doesn't make any sense. It doesn't make any sense. For some people, it might, but for me, it doesn't. And that is why I chose this path of picking copywriting as a skill to monetize it and make money online. But for some people, there are like lots of people who are okay with doing 9 to 5s and okay with like the system that we have built, and I do not have any problem with that. The only problem I have in me is that when people expect first results from something that they are trying to monetize online. Take copywriting for example. People come to me and say, bro, can I land my clients in next 2 months or 1 month? I'm like, bro, you just started learning this skill. How can you expect someone pay you $1,000 $2,000 per month for something that you have only learned for last 2 months or 3 months, right? It takes time. It takes time. You have to give it some time, else like you have to go through all the failures, all the lessons to actually learn the craft. So why not give it some time? Like, be patient, bro. Why do you expecting why are you expecting first results? Be okay with slow results. Be okay with at least giving like a year to a skill, right? So, I mean, I don't know, bro, why this mindset is like in people. They want always want first results. Now, coming to the question, like, how long does it take to land your first client? For me, it took me 3 months. It took me 3 months after I started on X to land my first client, my first copywriting client. Now, don't see it this way, ki, bro, you just landed your first client in just 3 months. How? Right? We are not able to do that. Don't look at it this way, because I started writing online in 2021 and I landed my first client in 2023. So there were 2 years of grinding that no one saw, right? Which put me in a place that allowed me to land my first copywriting clients after I started on X in just 3 months. So there were 2 years of grinding. No one saw that, right? So it took me 2 years and 3 months in reality to land my first client, my first copywriting client. So this is the reality. Do not fall for the dreams, or do not fall for the scammers who are selling you that 10K per month, or land your first client in just 1 week, in just 1 month. Do not fall for those like fake dreams. They are just selling you dreams just to make money out of you. Don't fall for that. Give a skill some time, be patient with it, definitely be consistent with it, and then you will land your first client. It's as simple as that. Do not expect results. Give something at least 6 months to an year to see results. And if you want to know like how to land your first client, then I have shared like a hack in one of my previous videos that I will like attach under this video, maybe in the like pinned comment section. You can take a look, and still if you have any questions, feel free to ask me in the comments. I will definitely answer you. And also, if you are a copywriter or a ghostwriter who are like just starting out and planning to monetize your skill, or like looking to know how to like land your first client fast, then do join my email list. I have like linked it in the description. Join from it. Every single week I post around 3 to 4 content around how to land your first client as a ghostwriter or as a copywriter. Do give it a look, and you will definitely be benefited from it, right? So yeah, I mean, that is it for the video, right? Be patient. Again, I'm saying, if you want to land your first client as soon as possible, be patient. Learn your skill, fail as soon as possible, learn from them, and keep it repeating, and you will land your first client. So like really soon, bro. It took me 2 years and 3 months, right? But for my coaching students, there is one student who landed his first client in just 3 weeks for $900. So this is what's possible, right? If you work with a mentor, or if you have someone to guide you. But yeah, I mean, uh, timing, it differs from person to person. But one thing that should be staying consistent is giving your 100%, giving your everything, right? So I'm ending this video here because it is getting stretched out a lot. So if you like this video, I will definitely like really love if you share this video with someone who is like into online world, who are like trying to like monetize their copywriting skills. I think it will help them a lot. And if you're new to the channel, I would expect you to stick with me, subscribe my channel. I will never let you down. That's a promise, right? Each one of the video, I will try to give you new insights. And yeah, I mean, that is it for the video. I'll see you on the next one. Peace.